a flat brush. Then I'm going back to Totally Fetch and going to the outer area mainly because it's a darker pink. Maybe I'll even round it without lifting the tip and back. But yeah, I'm just kind of darkening the pink. There, and then kind of just staying back there because it's a darker. Blend it out a little bit. There, and all that does is give a little bit of a pink look. Now, because I'm also wearing blue, I actually want not a mermaid looking look, but I might just use Earl Grey because it has a hue of blue to it. So I think I will do that. Where is my little pencil brush? Y'all, this is so weird that I don't have pencil brushes handy. So weird. I know I had them. Did I go and put them right in front of my face? Scary, scary, scary. Y'all, how are you doing? I know what's wrong. I haven't had my coffee. Oh, it's getting cold. That's my Kona blend. Okay, because I just have coffee in my mouth now, I really can't lick my brush. So I'm using MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm going to spray the brush. I turned it as I sprayed it. I don't think it's great for you to wet your whole brush, but because I had just taken a sip of coffee, I didn't use my spit. So I'm going to roll this because it's a tapered tip. And I really want to just almost line with this, but instead of using a smudger, I'm even going to tap that off. It will give a bit of a blue effect, just a little bit. It's a gray-blue color. And I'm going to reinforce where I did my liner with it. Just a little bit. Be sure and connect it. Come down just a little bit, and while it's still nice and wet, we're going to go ahead and roll it some more. And see, you can see the difference it makes when you put a moisture to this. It gets almost like a little paint. Remember that book? It was my first giveaways, was Face Paint. What a good history book on makeup. Oh my gosh, it taught so much about what women have been willing to do to put on makeup, and how it was a fashion statement for the nation and the nation's morality. The morality of the queen would reflect. Y'all, there's so much that makeup has had to do with morality, because you couldn't wear certain colors or you'd look like you were a prostitute. And that went real recent, all the way up probably into the 20s. Making me a very shadowy blend of a line there. Bringing it back down. Yeah, did I do this much of a line over here? I don't think so. There. There. I don't want to look like the Joker though, you know. No wins win. And I will probably need to get in front of a mirror that's not when I am on camera with all this bright light. You can't really tell. I'm use a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that line. Don't blend the colors, just blend the line. Like, just go through the line a couple of times and get rid of the line, but don't blend those colors together. That's the whole point. You don't want to look like a rainbow with lines, but you don't want to blend it so much away that you can't even see the change of color, because I want the change of color. I don't want to blend this all into one color. This isn't a smoky eye. Smoky eye is a gradient effect where it all blends into one color. Like, it's darker and it gets lighter as it goes up. This is not a smoky eye. Yes, you do want to blend, but don't over blend. I may use a touch of sprinkles again, just to wake up that area right there on both sides, because I think I blended it away too much. Here. That's pink. But it goes. Look, it actually goes with my fingernail polish. Hello. See, that's the only thing about these. They come out. I think they got hot, and that tells you something. If your makeup gets hot and melts, that's not good. There can be bacteria involved in that. So now if you want to, you can use this as a setting spray. So let me go ahead and do my contour and blush. And again, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Film Star Bronze and Blush Glow. Love this packaging. I think it's from the 20s is what this is supposed to look like, not the 40s. Anyway, came with this little brush, which I love because it's perfect. Keep the dark color back here, and then I'm going to bring it down a little just because, for me, I gotta blend that really good because it looks like a line if I don't. I have chipmunk cheeks, so if I want to get contour, I can just keep it back here, and it will, but if I bring it right down to the dimple, kind of keeps that just a little bit of a cut in. And then I'm going to take same side even, when I'm switching sides, the pinky color, kind of blend it right into that, and then round it out right at the cheek. It's a very pigmented color, so you do got to blend it really good. And blow out at the bottom. This needs some color right through there at the temple and at the hairline. And then right there underneath, cutting through and blend down to the bit of the pink. Ooh, that was way too much, so we're going to definitely have to blend that out. Matter of fact, just to be sure that's blended out good, where is a foundation brush? I'm going to have to go over that. Yeah. Both sides, really. And all that does is take back off some of the color, really. And that's it. And now I can spray. And just like a setting spray, it's a revitalizing spray. It's actually, you can spray before you do your makeup and let it be like a true prep spray. And now I'm just going to do my lashes and we'll be done. So I'm hoping you guys are going to have a great day for the next couple of days. I may be doing some vlogging. I don't know. We are going to an off-site trip with my department at work. And so it should be pretty interesting. I never know what they're going to have planned, and sometimes it's very athletic, which bothers me because I've been hurt on almost every trip. And I've seen other people get hurt, and I think it's just because everybody's such an overachiever that they just go too much. They do too much. Too strong. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh my goodness. I've got lots of little cards now, that's for sure. There was also a color that I recently bought. I meant to show y'all. I should have used it today. It's Moon Dust by Urban Decay. You know I could. Let's put it on my lid. And this is very, very, very sparkly. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so sparkly. Moon Dust, they are very high sparkle. I can't even get it out of the box. This is so annoying. I guess they want you to come in the other side and break the seal. It's called Cosmic. Are you serious? I'm about ready to cut this open. There. This color is called Cosmic. It's part of the Moon Dust line. And again, Moon Dust is the ones that, look, even on the inside it shows little sparkles. Cute. Alright, so it's going to be Sparkle City awarding. So I'm going to use my finger. Oh, it's very chunky. I'm surprised. There. Oh boy, I saw that flying down out of the corner of my eye. There. Is that even? Okay, so this isn't that sparkly, actually. It's just a nice little cover over this kind of whitish color I did. I'm not going to put it under the brow. I'm purposely putting it only on the lid. And now I've done my eyelashes. And so let's go ahead and put on some mascara. You know what I'm going to do? Yes, you guessed. I'm going to do Thrive because it's just so easy to get off, y'all. Don't know why this is so heavy. The actual barrel is so heavy. A lot comes out, and so the comb that they've got on this is just critical because it comes it right off. A lash also came out. It does say, oh, Beth, that's because you're using an eyelash curler. Y'all, your lashes come out all the time. That's why when people do eyelash extensions, it doesn't work. You can do them, and it'll work for about, I don't know, 7 to 10 days. And then out come your eyelashes because they're constantly falling out. Now, there is a condition. I forgot the name of it. I just forgot the name of it. I knew it right before I said it. Anyway, because there was a girl on YouTube that did a very good what to do to grow your lashes with, I think it was castor oil, black castor oil, and she mixed it with some other oil. I don't know if it was coconut oil or if it was avocado. I don't remember what the other oil was. Not bursitis. What is that's your, I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, it's where your eyelashes come out daily. I mean, like all at one time, like they're gone. And so she has to really work at it to get them to grow, and they grew so much and so long that some people even commented your lashes with mascara look spidery because they're so long. Like they were criticizing her, and I'm like, for someone who has worked so hard to get her lashes back, can you be any meaner? And besides, I loved it. I loved how long and spidery they looked. They were stunning. I just poked my eye, and I cannot believe I did that. Did you see that? Because I'm in a hurry now. I got a hair appointment I'm going to. Luckily, I have this and a wipe handy. I'm going to see if I can do this without the wipe. That really hurt. I don't know if I can get it without a wipe. I did. I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, let's see if I can do that again. There we go. Because I know that being a towel